English Year 4. Get Smart Plus 4. Our World. Reading. Part 1. Activity 1. Introduction to Vocabulary. Listen carefully to the vocabulary. Ice skating ring. Ice skate. Football. Play chess. Play badminton. This time, you will listen and say the vocabulary. Listen carefully. Ice skating ring. Now, it's your turn. Good. Ice skating ring is an area or place that is used for skating. Listen carefully. Ice skate. Now, it's your turn. Good. Ice skate is a special shoe with a thin metal bar attached to bottom of the shoe so that it can move quickly on ice. Listen carefully. Football. Now, it's your turn. Good. Football is a game that played by two teams of 11 players using a round ball. Listen carefully. Play chess. Now, it's your turn. Good. Chess is a board game that played by two players. Listen carefully. Play badminton. Now, it's your turn. Good. Badminton is a sport that played by two players using racket and shuttlecock. Activity 2. Listen and read. Let's listen what does Megan do every day.
A day in the life of a figure skater. Megan, 9. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night.
This time, you will listen to the sentence and then read after that. Let's try.
Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning.
Your turn to read.
She goes to school at 7:45.
Your turn to read.
After school, she does her homework.
Your turn to read.
Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner.
Your turn to read.
She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night.
Your turn to read. Good job! Let's listen. What does Pablo do every day?
A day in the life of a chess player. Pablo, 10. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
This time, you will listen to the sentence and then read after that. Let's try.
Pablo goes to school at 8:15.
Your turn to read.
After school, Pablo doesn't go home.
Your turn to read.
He always goes to the chess club and plays chess.
Your turn to read.
He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Your turn to read.
After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner.
Your turn to read.
He sometimes plays chess on his computer.
Your turn to read.
Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
Your turn to read. Good job! Task for today. Video recording. Record yourself reading a paragraph about Megan or Pablo. Choose one paragraph only. Send a copy of your recording to your English teacher for evaluation purpose. Please make sure to read clearly with the correct pronunciation and intonation.